Hey guys, Chelsea here. Safety glasses first. We are in the Midwest for the summer, and I've got some wood slices that I'm going to be working on here at the lake. So stay tuned. There are going to be some nice side tables to come out. If anybody's interested, let me know. So this gets a little messy. A little sparkle sawdust.
And there you have it, folks. We've got 4 completed epoxy hard maple tables. They're all sealed, and they are available if you're interested. Pretty cool looking. Let me know what you think.